Which kind of motorbike do you own, or which one would you like to own in the future? In this video, I will share with you the 5 main types of motorbikes and the good and the bad side of each one of them, and from there you can decide which one you want to own, or based on whichever you own, when you want to get another one, what do you go for? So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Styling Bikers, where we have serious fun. Number 1, serious because we need to take care of our safety, and number 2, we'll think about fun. Of course, riding a motorbike is a lot of fun, and you would agree with me. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you press the bell button so that you can get to know each and every time we release a new video. Let's look at the first type of motorbike, which is called the cruiser. The cruiser is more built for comfort rather than speed. The good thing about the cruiser is that it has a very low seat, and you can have both feet on the ground, so for stability that is good. And the other thing is that it is meant mainly for low speed torque, and it is built with low speed torque, making the cruiser much easier to ride. The downside to it is that some new riders might find it a little bit difficult to handle. The second type of motorbike we'll look at is the sports bike. Now, when it comes to the sports bike, motorbike put riders in the most aggressive stance of all motorbikes. It is built for speed rather than comfort, and you will find that with that great torque, it can go very fast. It has very powerful engines, but again, it is not the best when you're going for long rides because the position might not be very comfortable. But when it comes to racing, the sports bikes are the ones to go. When it comes to the capacity, you will find ranging 600cc, 1000cc, even above. And when it comes to the looks, it looks very good because it has a lot of covering the plastic fairing, but again, when it comes to tip over, there's so much damage you wouldn't want to look at the motorbike when it has had an accident or something of that sort. So that would be the disadvantage. The third bike that I want us to look at is the standard or street bike. Standard bikes are the do-all option of the motorcycle world, with utilities at the forefront. Standard bikes offer a good mix of comfort and control, and these are the kind of motorbikes you see mainly on the street. Even mine is kind of a standard motorbike or a street motorbike. The good side of it is that they are comfortable to ride, and some of them look a bit sporty. The bad side is that we have very powerful even street bikes or standard bike. For a beginner, they would want to consider a bike that fit their riding skills. Motorbike type number 4, the adventure touring motorbike. Now, these are very big bikes, very heavy, and they are meant for long rides. The good thing is that you can go for a very long ride with this kind of motorbike, and they are also meant for comfort. They are very comfortable for long ride. The downside to it is that they are very heavy. They also have very high seats, so if you're not very tall, handling them might be a challenge. And finally, the 5th type of motorbike is the scooter. This is the king when it comes to consumption. They consume very little, and we have bikes ranging from 50 cc's, but nowadays I've even seen scooters with 650 cc's. The good thing is that you can easily maneuver with them for commuting in the streets, but when it comes to now long rides, that is where they're disadvantaged. You might not use a scooter for very long rides. Now that you know these different types of motorbike, let me know in the comments below, which kind of bike do you own, and which one would you want to own in the future. Also, make sure to watch this video on what you need to consider before you buy your first motorbike. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until my next video, I'm out.